In 1981, Stewart Island conceals something very special in a hole in the ground. Its name is Snark. It's the first Kakapo chick to be found this century, another male. For 3 months he remains in the nest. He spends his evenings alone grumbling while his mother is out finding food. But on a June night, he finally emerges for the first time. But the night he has chosen to come forth is the wrong night, in the wrong century. It's no longer a land of birds out here, young night parrot. But he must have been born under a lucky star. For 3 months he's been a sitting target for the wild cats here. You are a proud gift of the night. Already, he has the feathers and face whiskers of a grown-up. Only a few wisps of down on his back and a short tail betray his youth. Perhaps one day he will spread his wings in the slow dance. But it won't be here on Stewart Island. Here, he has no future.